Oh, I am in the shop. Anybody here that's from my recent YouTube, as far as like the 2025 tour that I did with Clara, appreciate it. Appreciate you guys coming through. Raw and authentic, relatable. That's kind of what you're going to get. So in keeping with that theme, you can see that I have, you're on a tripod about 10 feet away from me. Now I picked this up on the cheap about a week ago. It's like a camera stand. I'm probably going to hurt myself trying to, it should be pretty easy. I think I can basically use this as like a rolling, I'd like to have something rolling. Right now you guys are like on a tripod. I feel like this would be pretty dang handy if I could get it to work. I think it will. It's made by Neewer, which is a pretty good company as far as camera equipment goes. And I got some pretty big wheels. I made like a rolling camera jig not that long ago, but the wheels are a lot smaller and they tend to kind of, get hung up a little bit on things. So I'm going to put this together and then I'll put you guys on a camera, show it. Maybe I'll bring you in a little bit closer, but let's kind of do this. I have no idea even what I'm doing as far as, I don't know how this, does that just go over top? There's no hardware in here. It might have got ripped off on the hardware. I don't know. Does it expand out? All right, I got to turn this off just for a second and I'll start it again. It's tougher than it looks for me sometimes. 1 second. I think I found the correct Allen key. Is that going to focus? There we go. Pretty sure it's got to go in these holes right here and just says to tighten things up. So let's do that. Feels like it's working. Yeah, it's pretty solid now, actually. You can't even see me. This is pointless. Anyway, it needs wheels, so we gotta get this flipped over. They just screw right in, which is nice. So that's good. I feel like this is gonna be pretty nice. I don't know how a rod goes onto it. All right, flip it up. Oh yeah. Thing rolls great. Is it too wide? Definitely might be good to get some weights for the bottom of this thing. Okay, let me back you up. All right, I got it. That's kind of the idea. Take this around. I think they sell bags or something that can like sit on top of the legs so that we don't get too tippy. But I think if I had a light on here, although I feel like there's supposed to be a piece at the top. I don't know. We'll Google it. See what's going on there. I think we got it. But should be able to use this for some lighting or for some camera work. Get like an angle, We'll see. That's that project for the day. I need a wide angle lens.